Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get this look, and today's New Year's Eve, so it's gonna be 2019 soon in like a few hours. So yeah, so this is the look I'm gonna do for New Year's Eve. It's a black smoky eye with a half-cut crease, silver glitter. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids, and to do that I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And for my black eyeshadow I'm using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. I'm using a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. Then I'm gonna put it on my crease and then blend it out. Then I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape again and cut out half of the crease. Then on my crease for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics silver color from the palette Royal Affair. I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. And then again with that black color, I'm going to go back and redo the black. And now I'm going to take this silver glitter and put it onto my eyelids where the cut crease is. Now I'm going to do some winged eyeliner. Now I'm going to start prepping my face with some MAC Prep Plus Prime spray. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to put some white liner on my waterline. Now I'm going to put some of this Born to Glow NYX primer on my face. And then I'm putting my NYX Total Control foundation on my face. Then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and put concealer under my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all in. And now I'm going to take that same black and blend it in under my eyes. Then I'm going to set everything with my Airspun translucent powder. Then I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and bronze my face. Then I'm gonna put some mascara on my top and bottom eyelashes. Then I'm gonna take some of this Evian spray and spray my whole face. put some highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm gonna put some false lashes on my eyelids. I'm gonna take some of this random gloss I found and just put it on my lips. And that's it. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching.